Good morning. On the first part of your question, there's no doubt that President Izetbegović and Prime Minister Seladić regard the situation in Bihac as a very serious one, and if it were to fall, I think the consequences would be serious. Prime Minister Seladić called me on Sunday to express appreciation for the steps that we were taking, and we had a good talk. I told him we were going to be doing everything we could. Now, the various steps we're taking is to encourage the establishment of an exclusion zone. We're contacting our colleagues in NATO about further action that might be taken in the Bihac pocket. As you know, a ceasefire is being sought by the United Nations, and so we're encouraging each of those actions that might relieve the pressure on the Bihac pocket and the city of Bihac, and we'll be working at that today. But it is a serious situation, and on the first part of your question, Barry, I think the leaders of Bosnia are watching this situation with a good deal of care.
Madam Secretary. That's all the time we have.
The airstrikes in Bosnia, which were conducted against the airfield there a few days ago, were for the specific purpose of deterring future airstrikes by the Serbs against Bihac and other areas. We believe they will be successful in doing that. If they are not, we will have to take additional action. The airstrikes today were specifically against surface-to-air missile facilities, which were threatening the NATO air patrol in that area. We have had a long-standing practice. We've been conducting air patrol over that areas for many, many months now, and we've had a long-standing rules of engagement that if any of those surface-to-air missiles try to engage or illuminate our aircraft, we are free to strike them.
Эта твердая позиция остается. Мы за то, чтобы решить проблему Югославии путем вывода всех войск, включая войска ООН. Тогда будет там мир. Без этого там будет война, вечная война.
They must stress not for the position of the West. We must first of all accuse our own position. Why didn't we use the veto vote in the Council of Security? Why don't we have voice in all this NATO planning operation when Russia subscribed to the Partnership for Peace, and NATO is making all the operations which are of crucial importance for Russia's strategic interests without consultations with Russia. Russia is not only Kozyrev. Russia is not only somebody from presidential surround. Russia is the legal bodies of Russia, the parliament, presidency, the government, the collective bodies.